Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access Google Chat on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to access your Google Chats on Android, so to do that what you have to do is first install your Google Chats. So if you haven't installed it, then what you can do is just open up your Play Store and then search for Google Chats. And after searching for that, here you will find your Google Chat application. So what you can do is just simply tap on install and complete this installation process. So after installing Google Chats, now what you can do is just simply open up your Google Chats. After opening up your Google Chats, now what you have to do is just simply log into your account. So in the top right corner, you will find this profile icon. What you can do is just simply log in with the account. And after logging in, now what you can do is simply tap on the message icon, which you can find in the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on that, now from here, you can access your chats. So if you don't have any chats, then what you can do is just simply search for one. So just tap on that search icon, and from here you can search for any chats that you want. And after searching them, you can add them to your Google Chats. So that's it guys, this is how to access Google Chats on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.